AI is at work in Gaza, edge computing risk, and unsubscribing to emails. That's today's daily, and this is TechGno, turning tech talk into biz talk. Let's dig into the daily.
TechGno, turning tech talk into biz talk.
1 year since terror struck in Israel, as the world was shocked to see the terrorist group Hamas attack Israel, killing more than 1,000 people and taking hundreds of hostages. Ceremonies are taking place around the world as Israel continues to defend itself with a broadening scope. But this is TechGno, not WarGno. So what about turning tech talk into biz talk and AI being at work in Gaza? Well, the technology is AI, and if you allow me to call it business value, Israel used an AI-powered database that at one stage identified 37,000 potential targets based on their apparent links to Hamas. That's according to this Guardian article and intelligence sources involved in the war. While this may raise legal and moral questions, I bet most of you didn't even blink. An edge computing risk, as this Forbes Innovation article highlights the challenge of choosing between costly hardware upgrades or security risk. ROI, but that's a simple typo from one of the world's leading news organizations. You won't find that level of unprofessionalism at TechGno, but sometimes we do forget to hit record. Typo aside, the excellent article highlights how edge devices have become essential for real-time operations and data processing. But cost savings and security best practices are at odds as some devices fall out of support and no longer receive security updates. You may want to chase the article down as it does introduce custom OS upgrades as a means to help security concerns in the hardware lifecycle. And lastly, unsubscribing to emails is both cumbersome and joyful. This Business Wire article highlights GitApp's 2024 Advertising Preferences Survey, which reveals how marketing overload and irrelevant content drives customers to unsubscribe, and the survey's insights can help enterprises regain consumer trust. Personal data concerns along with email overload are drivers, and GitApp's survey suggests that companies should streamline their communications, ensuring they're not bombarding their audience across multiple channels. It might be an omni-channel world, but that doesn't mean your prospect needs a 5-alarm fire. And did you know GNO is Irish for business? At TechGno, we turn tech talk into biz talk. We're here for business and technical leaders of large companies. And we're in our 6th week, which means we have like 6 subscribers. So jump on board and be a TechGno Q1 OG. And hey, hope to see you on the other side.
GNO. It's Irish for business.
TechGno, turning tech talk into biz talk.